shit like in the nighttime. Watch what she do when the light shine. Drunk niggas wanna talk in a strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Cop bottle, that's just how a nigga brought up. Blow ones for your leany ass niggas. Straight bells for your booty ass niggas. My niggas bigger than the bounce. Roll up in the bitch, still smell like a house.
Wala postura niya every time na sobrang ihing-ihing niya. Hindi siya makagalaw. At kailangan namin dumaan agad ng CR sa gitna ng syudad. Dito. Pura naman ang paka-paka. Guys, let's eat Ichiran ramen. Ang ano, mababalat pa kami itlog, guys. Akala ko kasama na doon yung itlog. Sarap. Hindi ako guys mahilig sa ramen, pero parang pagpunta namin dito parang nag-crave ako talaga ng ramen. Ito kung weather ba yun o FOMO.
For tonight I'm yours. So tonight the truth. Oh, stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you. Even though it's wrong to lie with you.
Nakasakay na si Tracy, gago. Okay, nakita na po kami. Buti na lang talaga malakas yun. Ganito natin eh. Anong telepathy. Kasi naisip ko na bumaba sa next station kahit di ko naintindihan yung sinabi niya nung nakasakay na siya. Sabi ko lang, hindi na ako makapagsalita sa
Iniisip ko kung sinabi niya ba na magstay ako dito para bumalik siya o sinabi niya na dito ako sumakay. Sobrang daming tao, di ba? Tapos, pagkaakyat mo po ng escalator, ang dami pong nakaharang. Sobra. Like, hindi ko nga po iniisip na papasok ka dun eh. Kasi iniisip ko baka palagpasin mo na, tapos yung next train na.
Time, take your time. Honey, I get it, I get it, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. Counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. Blowing kisses like where you put to my night. I'm Cupid with arrows, babe. I'm just shooting my shot.
We're gonna go to the Tower of Terror. I'm scared. Time check. 2:42. We only... ano English nun? We've been here since 9 a.m. We lined for Anna and Elsa for 3 hours. 3 hours. And then when we were already inside, it's temporarily closed. But we were given a free fast pass for any ride today. But we're gonna use it for Anna and Elsa. So we bought a premium access to the Tower of Terror.
Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of practice, they gon' pay for it.
On my ears became your ears.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with
Thursday night, we're gonna watch the Turtle Show.
call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline bling. Like you know that.
Food!
It's well concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only bloom when she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give you nobody, no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see when you wanna see it. When you right doors stop, baby you would stop, strike doors. When I'm with you, everything goes. Coming, put that on my soul. Love me down, let's go, check out on the way home. This world, concrete flows grow. Better days coming with sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give you nobody, no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see when you wanna see it.
I may not trust you, I love you. I won't waste your time, I turn it up just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you. I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it on just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
I know you're coming for it.
Ay, video mo ako nagkakamera. Saan tayo? Saan tayo?
Dun, ayun na.
On Fuji?
Ay!
On Fuji na pala to.
Nagyabang siya.
Guys, alam nyo ba na 87 days a year lumala makikita ang Mount Fuji.
Ganun talaga yun?
Hindi kita.
Ano po ito?
Kasi apat kasi yung layer ko eh.
Guys, share ko lang. Di pala marunong mag-bike si Lyra.
Akala niya siguro nagbibiro ako nung sinasabi ko di ako marunong.
Tangin na hindi siya
Parang na
marunong
isang
mag-bike.
oras kami imbis na 30 minutes lang yung biyahe namin.
Gago, imbis na 7 minutes, 30 minutes, eh nilakad na lang saan namin. Guys, di ba nagbabike kami? Nawawala ni Lyra yung kanya. Tangin na. Nawala niya yung susi nung kanya. Guys, di namin mahanap yung susi. Bibi! Nawawala yung susi ng bike ko! Yay! Ang kasuna, tangina.
We hike here. This is the pagoda, a viewing deck for the Mount Fuji. It's so fucking high and we're so fucking tired. It's so worth it. I cried for this. I look like we're lost. Yeah. Like, kami lang yung tao dito sa station and wala man lang kahit ano. Mga station na. Walang mga sign. Like, railway lang. May aakyatan ka lang. Tas, yun na yun. Kulang tao, wala kahit na ano. Buti na lang nung dumating kami dito, merong konting, like 3 tao. Tas, nagtanong kami, kung hindi, sasakay kami sa train na yun, hindi pa pala yun yun.
Galing kaming bus station sa may taas. Nilakad namin from Pagoda ng ilang minuto. Kasi kala namin pwede. Yun pala kailangan ng reservations kasi puno lahat ng seats, bawal tumayo. So lahat ng mga naghihintay doon, nakapag-reserve sila ng seats. Kami wala. Mga nakatatlong or 2 bus na yun nakarating. Tapos sinanong namin kung pwede na mag-cash na lang. Bawal.
Bawal din tumayo.
Bawal din tumayo. So like we have no choice kundi bumalik dito sa station.
No, hindi pa nga ito yung station. Like, this is
Oh,
the
hindi
next
pa to.
station.
Oh. Ang layo ng nilakad namin from the station that we're supposed to be in. Just to get to the bus station na hindi naman pala pwede.
Yeah.
And magbabasa na kami kasi diretso na yun pa Shinjuku. Like wala na kaming lipat-lipat sa mga train.
Yeah.
At may hinahabol kaming oras. But I was so scared kasi iniisip ko, paano kapag hindi kami nakapauwi ngayong gabi?
Yeah.
Flight namin bukas.
Ayan na, miso, dyan ka papasok.
At walang tao.
And walang tao sa paligid. Pero ito na yung train namin. Finally. It's so cold. It's 1 degree Celsius. Like, yeah.
Yeah. Finally, people.